1955 USA 1-cent coin. Today, we're diving headfirst into a legend, a whispered tale from the golden age of American, a coin that, if you're lucky enough to find it, could genuinely be worth not just thousands, not just hundreds of thousands, but potentially millions of dollars. We're talking about the infamous 1955 Doubled Die Lincoln cent. You've heard the stories, perhaps even checked your own penny jar. But is it true? Can a humble copper cent from 1955, a year where hundreds of millions were minted, actually hold such a colossal secret? Well, grab your magnifying glass, because we're about to uncover the exact details of this incredible minting error, explain why it's so valuable, dive into real-world auction results, and tell you precisely what to look for to turn a penny into a fortune. This isn't just a myth, this is a million-dollar reality. First, let's establish our baseline, the regular 1955 Lincoln cent. It features Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the iconic, wheat ears, design on the reverse. In 1955, the U.S. Mint produced a staggering 330,600,000 of these at the Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, plus tens of millions more from Denver and San Francisco. So, a regular 1955 penny? While a nice piece of history, it's generally worth just a few cents above face value, maybe 10 to 20 cents in average circulated condition. In uncirculated condition, perhaps a few dollars. Definitely not millions. But here's where the story gets exciting. Because amidst those hundreds of millions, a truly spectacular error occurred, creating one of the most famous and valuable coins in U.S. numismatic history. At the Philadelphia Mint in 1955, a significant mistake occurred during the creation of a working coin die. A doubled die happens when a coin die receives multiple, slightly offset impressions from the master hub during its manufacture. Imagine the master hub stamping the die, but it shifts slightly between strikes, creating a superimposed, ghostly, or doubled image. For a short period, coins were struck using this defective die. The most famous and pronounced example is the 1955 USA 1-cent coin. You're looking for clear, unmistakable doubling on the obverse, front, of the coin, specifically, Liberty. The letters will appear distinctly doubled. In God We Trust. The motto above Lincoln's head will also show strong doubling. The date, 1955. Crucially, the numbers in the date will be clearly doubled, especially the first, 1, and the 2, 5s. This doubling is bold and obvious, easily visible to the naked eye, though a magnifying glass helps. If it's faint or appears on the reverse, it's almost certainly not the famous 1955 doubled die. What makes this error so unique is that it was quickly discovered by Mint employees. They ceased production with the error die, but not before an estimated 20,000 to 24,000 of these coins had already been mixed into bags of regular cents and released into circulation, particularly in the northeastern United States. The Mint decided not to recall them, likely because it would have been too costly and inconvenient to sort through millions of pennies for a relatively small number of errors. And thus, a legend was born. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, what are these truly exceptional error coins actually worth? When it comes to the 1955 doubled die cent, we are unequivocally talking about multi-million-dollar potential, especially for the finest known examples. Let's look at some real-world auction results that prove this isn't just a myth. PCGS MS65RD, read in 2006, a stunning, gem-quality example graded MS65RD. Indicating it retains its original red copper luster, sold for an incredible $1,265,000 at a heritage auction sale. This was a record-breaking price at the time for a U.S. penny. Later sales and current estimates. While that 2006 sale remains a landmark, top-tier examples of the 1955 doubled die cent consistently fetch prices in the mid to high six figures. Even moderately circulated examples, if clearly identifiable as the doubled die, can still command thousands of dollars, ranging from $1,000 to $50,000 plus depending on condition. The million-dollar factor today, for a truly uncirculated, top-grade specimen, MS65RD or higher, with flawless eye appeal. The value today could easily surpass that 2006 record. Given the booming coin market and the legendary status of this coin, if a comparable or finer example were to hit the market, it would certainly be expected to achieve, or even exceed, the $1 million mark. Remember, condition is paramount. A heavily worn example might be worth thousands, but those $1 million price tags are reserved for coins that have miraculously survived in pristine, uncirculated condition, retaining their original copper glow. So, how do you find one? And more importantly, how do you verify it's the real deal? Get a magnifying glass. A 10x jeweler's loupe is ideal. A good light source is also crucial. Focus on 1955 cents. No mint mark. The error only occurred at the Philadelphia Mint, so look for 1955 pennies without a mint mark below the date. Examine. Liberty, in God we trust. And the date. Look for clear, distinct doubling. It should look like a ghost image, slightly offset. If it's blurry or stretched, it's likely machine doubling, which is common and adds no value. Know the fakes. This coin is so famous that there are many fakes and altered coins out there. Be extremely cautious. If the doubling looks unnatural, too perfect, or inconsistent, be suspicious. Consult reputable references, use trusted numismatic books, online databases, and expert forums to compare your coin to verified examples. Professional grading. If you think you've found one, do not clean it. This can drastically reduce its value. Your next step should be to have it authenticated and graded by a professional third-party grading service like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, or NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company. Their certification is essential for establishing its authenticity and value. Without professional authentication, even the clearest doubled die will struggle to achieve its true market value. The 1955 doubled die Lincoln cent is more than just a coin. It's a testament to the thrilling world of numismatics, where a simple minting error can transform a common penny into a priceless artifact. It embodies the hope of finding hidden treasure right under your nose. It's a reminder that even in the midst of mass production, unique anomalies can slip through, waiting for the keen eye of a collector to unlock their incredible potential. While finding one is incredibly rare, the fact that a few thousand are out there keeps the dream alive. So, next time you come across a 1955 penny, give it a closer look. You might not find $1 million coin, but the thrill of the hunt, and the knowledge of this incredible story, is a treasure in itself. Thanks for watching.